Alright, I am going to show you how to arrange different shapes. And so the arrange tools are here, and you actually have to select objects in order to arrange them. So you can order them, you can align them, you can do all these different things. You can rotate, which you probably understand that, and then you can group things or ungroup them. So let's go ahead and click on some objects, and you have to select the shift key on the keyboard and then continue to click on them, and you can see how they're all highlighted. So if I click off of these, now none of them are highlighted, so I'm going to have to click on them again, hit the shift key and click each object you want. Okay, now I'm going to go to the arrange tool, and now I can do some of these different tools. I'm going to group them together. Now if I group them, now all I have to do is move the entire thing. Okay, and I can even make them bigger, and you can see how they all change together. And that's an advantage, so you don't have to change each one. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and click off of that. Now I'm going to add another shape here. Now if I want a shape in the background of this, okay, so when I add a shape, it automatically is on top or in front of everything else. So we have to start thinking of things in layers. So I'm going to change this either to transparent, but now you can see there's no color in the background. So I want an actual color. So I'm going to select white, but now those shapes are hidden again because this large shape is in front. So I have to go to the arrange tool, and now you can see the order is available for us. So I'm going to send to the back. I want this to be in the very back. This is like if you think about different pieces of paper that you're laying on top of each other. I want this to be on the very bottom. And now all of these shapes are on top. Okay? So how is this going to be useful? Well, if I choose to add more shapes, and let's say I'm adding a shape onto this, if I accidentally have these on top, I can't see that shape anymore. So that means I need to send these purple ones backward. I don't want to send them to the way back, because if I do that, well, now they're hidden by that large shape. So I need to bring those purple ones forward, and now you can still see this one, and I want to make sure that one's on top. So I'm going to, well, it looks like it's already on top because bring forward or bring to the front is not available for me. So that's how you arrange items. So if you ever have an object you can't find, click on whatever is in front and send it backward one layer. Don't click send to back completely, just send backward a little bit and you'll be able to see shapes. But again, it's hidden again, so I need to bring this one, go to the arrange tool, order, and bring forward one. And that's how you arrange items.